Hello? In this video, I will tell you how to trade American stocks using our mobile phone with the RoboForex broker. If you don't have an account with the broker, be sure to follow the link in the description, register or watch the previous video where I explained in detail how to complete registration and verification. So let's get started. First of all, you need an app called AirStock Trader. You can go to the App Store and download it, or simply in the RoboForex broker's cabinet. Select the menu at the top left. And at the bottom there is a section called Stock Trader labeled Download. I already have the app, so I open it right away. First, you need to enter all the data, login and password. These are all the details that were considered during registration with the RoboForex broker. So what does the app itself look like? It's all simple. At the bottom, there's an active panel where you can switch and navigate through the menu. The main menu is what we have. There is an information field where there are many stocks that have performed best over the year. There are market volume leaders. Well, essentially, there's some kind of news feed here. If, for example, you need a specific stock, you enter it in the search bar. For instance, Tesla. Found Tesla, and the chart immediately loads for you to start. To trade this chart, at the bottom, you select this blue rectangle. We open a position. So it loads for us. Here, depending on whether it's sell or buy, and we select the volume. For example, if we choose a volume of 2, then the margin itself will load for us. We click buy and click confirm. You can immediately go to positions. It redirects us to the portfolio. I randomly open something here on a demo account. Don't forget to set the take profit and stop loss. Therefore, to do this in the current trade, we need to select this trade. And here set the take profit. Also, set the price. And set the stop loss price as well. We can close the trade immediately. I'm doing all this now on a demo account. Therefore, I highly recommend you try it as well for now. Test your strategies so you don't risk your own money. But if, for instance, you've already tested your strategy and decided to try switching to a real account, you need to open a trading account, specifically on this application. So go to the bottom. At the top, the main thing is the personal account and account management. Here, select to open a real account. You will be redirected to a new menu where you first choose the position accounting model. I usually choose hedging and also the currency USD. And the maximum leverage is 1 to 20. And click the Confirm tab. A real account will be opened for you, where you can already start trading. But of course, to trade on a real account, you need to deposit funds. To deposit funds, you need to go to the More tab at the bottom right. And at the top, there is a Deposit tab. It will automatically load for you the RoboForex cabinet, and with the deposit, depending on where you are, you can deposit into your account. I usually deposit using a script, and it all takes just a few seconds. And there, in principle, overall, minimal fees. There is also a Copifex tab, which is an opportunity to connect to any provided trader. Here, these traders are also arranged by the placement of the most profitable traders, as well as the most successful traders, the largest portfolio. Well, you can figure out what you like best. You can also come up with your own personal strategy and create your own trading account. Thus, to connect your partners, you can become a trader on this platform. Also, in the main menu, you can set up lists, choose the best stocks that you trade regularly. To find this, you need to go in and look at everything. At the top left, there are dotted 3 horizontal lines. Enter, and we have custom lists. We can select favorites and load those stocks that you trade constantly. If you are missing something, you can, at the top, on the right, select all the necessary stocks. Click the plus signs. They will be added to your main panel. That's how it turned out. A short video. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and stay updated with the news.